are here to discuss about the multiple choice question related to mucosal drug delivery system. So first question is, drugs required in blank dose can be formulated as mucoadhesive drug delivery system. Option A, high. Option B, low. Option C, moderate. Option D, any. Correct answer is option B, low. Drug required in low dose can be formulated as a mucoadhesive drug delivery system. Question number 2. The effect of longer residence time of mucoadhesive product is option A, bioavailability increase, B, bioavailability decrease, C, bioavailability unaffected, D, uncertain. Correct answer is A, bioavailability increase. The effect of longer residence time of mucoadhesive product is bioavailability increase. Question number 3. The permeability of buccal mucosa is blank times greater than that of the skin. Option A, 1 to 100. Option B, 10 to 10,000. Option C, 1 to 1,000. And option D, 4 to 4,000. Correct answer is D, 4 to 4,000. The permeability of a buccal mucosa increase 4 to 4,000 times greater than that of the skin. Question number 4. Blank is a better dosage form to treat periodontitis. Option A, buccal tablet. B, buccal wafers. C, buccal lozenge. D, buccal microspheres. Correct answer is B, buccal wafers. Buccal wafers is a better dosage form to treat periodontitis. Question number 5. With increases in molecular weight, the bioadhesive force is option A, increase. Option B, decrease. Option C, remain unaffected. Option D, increases up to a limit. Correct answer is D, increase up to a limit. With increases in molecular weight, the bioadhesive force increases up to a limit. Question number 6. Lubrication effect of mucous membrane is due to continuous secretion of mucus from option A, globulate cell. B, epithelial cell. C, connective tissue. D, lipids. Correct answer is A, globulate cells. Lubrication effect of mucous membrane is due to the continuous secretion of mucus from globulate cell. Question number 7. Blank transport is the transport of mu molecules around or between cells. A, transcellular. B, cellular. C, paracellular. D, lipoidal. Correct answer is C, paracellular. Paracellular transport is the transport of molecules around or between cells. Question number 8. The affinity between the surface can be found by using the contact angle in A, electronic theory. B, diffusion theory. C, fracture theory. D, weighting theory. Correct answer is D, weighting theory. The affinity between two surfaces can be found by using the contact angle in weighting theory. Question number 9. Following are the major components of all mucous cell except A, glycoproteins. B, lipids. C, water. D, amino acids. Correct answer is D, amino acids. Next question is blank on the buccal adhesive dosage form prevent the drug loss. A. Penetration enhancers. B. Mucous membrane. C. Baking membrane. D. Tissue membrane. Correct answer is C. Baking membrane. Baking membrane on buccal bioadhesive dosage form prevent the dosage drug loss. Next question is mucoadhesion due to the fillings of irregularities on the rough surface by a liquid is determined by option A. Absorption theory. B. Betting theory. C. Mechanical theory. D. Fracture theory. Correct answer is C. Mechanical theory. The mucoadhesion due to the filling of the irregularities on the rough surface by a liquid can be defined by the mechanical theory. Question number 12. Which charge is carried by the mucous network at the physiological pH? Option A. Positive. Option B. Negative. C. Both. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Negative. Which charge is carried by the mucous network at the physiological pH? That is negative. Question number 13. In the consolidation step, mucoadhesive materials are activated by the presence of option A. Water. B. Mucin. C. Glycoprotein. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Water. In consolidation step, mucoadhesive material are activated by the presence of water. Question number 14. Bypass of hepatic portal system increasing the blank of drug. A. Solubility. B. pH. C. Bioavailability. D. All of the above. Correct answer is bioavailability. Bypass the hepatic portal system increasing the bioavailability of drug. Question number 15. The drug permission of the drug across mucosa is more in blank region. Option number A. Option A. Keratinized. B. Non-keratinized. D. Both A and B. And D. None. Correct answer is B. Non-keratinized. The drug permission of drug across mucosa is more in non-keratinized region. Question number 16. The blood flow rate in oral mucosa is A. 10 to 20 ml per minute. B. 20 to 30 ml per minute. C. 50 to 100 ml per minute. And D. Irregular. Correct answer is B. 20 to 30 ml per minute. The blood flow rate in the oral mucosa is 20 to 30 ml per minute. Next question is the consolidation stage in bioadhesion is completed by virtue of A. Van der Waals forces. B. Hydrogen bonding. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Correct answer is both A and B. The consolidation stage in bioadhesion is completed by the virtue of Van der Waals force and hydrogen force. So correct answer is C. Both A and B. Next question is diffusion theory of mucoadhesion work on A. Solubility of polymers. B. Diffusivity of drug. C. Concentration gradient. D. All A, B and C. Correct answer is B. Diffusivity of drug. Diffusion theory of mucoadhesion work on diffusivity of drug. Thank you all. We will continue in the next lecture. Stay safe and healthy.